What's up you guys, welcome back. What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of this optimistic family. But if you've been rocking with me, welcome back. Don't forget to get active in the comment and turn your notification bell on whether you're new or you've been rocking. Recently, I've been making videos about stress and depression, and I've actually been thinking how depressing life can be wherever you are and how people can have problems coping. So I've been thinking, you've been making videos giving the audience all this information about stress, depression and all that, but you still haven't given them an affordable way to stay stress-free or basically just coping. So I've curated my own list of 10 affordable ways to stay positive and just to cope generally with life and everything that you face in life. First thing I have is reading a book. If you're a reader and you love to read, pick up a book and read it in your spare time. You may not have the whole day to just sit down and read a book, but pick up a good book and just read and get carried away in the book. Whether it's a fiction, you just pick up a good book that can just take your mind away, carry you away, and you go to La La Land with that book. It doesn't matter. You may not be able to sit and read all day, but if it's even just an hour, just sit down and try and read a good book. That's a great affordable way. You can go to the library and borrow a book. You can borrow one from a friend. You can ask recommendation. You can look up recommendation. You can look for books on your phone. Just pick up a book and get carried away by that book. And that's one positive way to cope or just to stay positive on a whole. The second thing I have is watch one of your favorite movie. It doesn't matter if you've seen it before, just watch one of your favorite movie. You know, I'm the kind of person who will watch one movie over and over and over and over again, and friends get tired of me like, you're watching a movie again. Actually, I don't know no one except for my mom that will sit and watch a movie with me, because people really don't like my choice of movie, and if I like a movie, I'll watch it over and over and over and over again if it's available to me. So watch a movie, watch a good movie. A movie is kind of like a book. Get carried away, put yourself in the movie, go where the movie go. If it's a suspense movie, occupy your mind by thinking what's gonna happen next. You know, apply things from it to your life, positive things from it to your life. Then you're gonna wanna watch a positive movie, probably a love story. Everybody like a good romance, everybody like a good love story. Just get carried away. There's nothing wrong with dreaming, imagining, fantasizing. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing at all. So watching a good movie is one way to stay positive. To me, the most effective thing is reading a Bible passage. Read a Bible passage. And no, you may not want to sit and read the whole Bible, because come on, we all know we love God and we love to give praise, but sitting and reading the whole Bible can get a little boring for you, especially if you don't understand what you're reading, because the Bible is not an easy book to understand. Even if it's your favorite passage, just read it and try to get understanding from it. Look it up on the internet, Google it, see if it holds the same meaning that you think it has. And if all else fail and you don't have a Bible book, bring out your phone. You can download the Bible app for free. Reading a Bible verse, reading your Bible, reading the Bible app. And to me, that is kind of one of the most effective way, because when you do that, God is present in the midst. So, you know, you can feel a little more positive, a little about yourself. The next thing I have is writing a journal. And nowadays, people probably don't write in journal so much. I don't know. I usually just type on my computer or put it in my phone. I don't write in journal like paper and pen. The only time I'll use paper and pen nowadays is to write down notes for my video like this one. But keep a journal. Sometimes it's good, like the writing will kind of take you away, but keep a journal, not just what you're going through or just what happening in your life. Just keep a journal of every little thing. For example, what you ate today, what you did today, where you went, where you want to go. Sometimes it's nice to write your goals down, because it's a sign of manifestation. You're putting it out there when you write it down. So keeping a journal is one way to stay positive. The next thing I have is recording on your phone. So you can either do a video recording or you can do a voice recording of what you're thinking of. So kind of like doing a journal, but talking about it. Just record yourself, because on the phone, I don't know about every phone, but on my iPhone, I know you can voice record. So kind of just do a voice record of what you're thinking about if you don't like writing it down, or do a video, make a video, sit down and turn your camera on and make a video. Even if you're not going to post it anywhere, you can watch it later. Ooh, when I was was depressed, I made this video. I looked pretty cute or something. But a lot of times people want to dress up to make video. You don't even have to dress up to make like a little closet video. You're doing it of yourself. You're keeping it for yourself. You're not sending anyone. So making a video or a voice message or a voice note is a great way to stay positive if you're feeling down or if you're going through things or if you're struggling. The next thing I have, and it's probably my most important thing, and I know I said reading a Bible verse is my most important thing, but honestly, the most important thing to me is praying. Go on your knees and pray. If it's not convenient for you to go on your knee, just stand up or sit down, or if you're driving or anything, just pray. Whisper a word of prayer. Prayer doesn't take training. All you need to do is just say what you're feeling. Talk to God about what you're feeling, just like you'd go talk to your friend. Talk to God about what you're feeling. Ask Him for guidance. Ask Him for protection. Ask Him for better. Ask Him to change the situation. Ask for the situation that you want. So prayer is one of the best way, or if not the best way. It's the best way for me, but probably it's not the best way for you. But prayer is always a great way to stay positive when you're going through things. Another thing that is kind of luxurious but it's still free is taking a bath. Take a bath. Just fill up your bathtub if you have one and take a bath. If you have some bath salt, Epsom salt, put it in there. If you have some bath bomb, put it in there. If not, and all else fail, just throw some of your shower gel in there. Or guess what? Just sit down in your bath and use your same bar soap. If it's the bar soap that you use to bathe, sit in your bath and use the bath soap and just soak a little and relax and wash yourself off. Put some lotion on, put some clean clothes on, fix your face, fix your hair, and you'll feel way better. Trust me, that's a great way to stay positive. Like, just tell yourself that you're washing your troubles away. Whatever you're going through, you're washing that away. So taking a bath is a great way to stay positive. Another good way to stay positive is to clean your space. Clean up your space. Because a lot of times when we're down and depressed, we tend to like throw things around. We don't have the energy to clean. We are on the couch. We just want to eat, or we just want to sleep or something. Just if you find the strength to just get up and start. Just start cleaning. Like right now, if you're sitting on your couch or you're laying or you're going through something, just start cleaning. Start somewhere. Start at the worst place in your house, like your bathroom. Start at the dirtiest place in your house or in your room, or if you don't have your own house, like your room, your bed, start by making your bed. Just start cleaning. Cleaning is a great stress relief, and it's workout. It's a form of exercise. Turn some music on or put your headphone on and just start cleaning. Clean up your space. Make your space nice and clean and comfortable and fresh, and you'll see that will help you. The 10th and final thing that I have is exercise. Exercise. Outdoor if you can. Outdoor is the best because you get some fresh air. You see people, you hear nature like bird, you see trees, and you know, it like being outdoor is the best. But if you can't get to go outdoor, do some yoga in your house or go to the gym and take a run. Do some yoga in your house. You turn on YouTube on your phone or on your TV and do some exercise. Do some squat. It don't have to be yoga. It could be squat, it could be skip, it could be just some running on the spot. It just could be any workout. Do some exercise. Get moving. That is a great stress relief. Exercise. Trust me. Let me tell you something about exercise. The hardest part of exercise is just starting. Getting up and start doing it. I don't know anyone that ever complete an exercise routine and was sorry that they did. The hardest part is just getting up and going out there. So whatever you're going through, just get up, and if you need to, or if you can, or if you want to, get up, dress up, and move around. But the most important thing is get up. Once you get up, everything else come after that. And right now, I'm praying that whatever you're going through, you feel better about it and it will be okay. And you'll try some of these things. And if there are other things that I didn't mention that you know, because I get stressed out too, and I try these things, and I would love new things to try. So if there's anything that I didn't mention, go ahead and leave it in the comment box. I hope this video helped you guys. If you're going through anything, stay strong, whisper a prayer, know that God is with you all the time, and I hope you enjoy this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.